Yo, yo! Hello, friends and classmates. This is student ID number 95-57605, aka Cornelio to those who don't recognize me anymore. Kahuya nyo man. Jokes lang. And besides me is my forever partner in crime, my ex-girlfriend during our UP days, turned asawa of also coincidentally 25 years as well.
Hi there, this is student ID 95-912, aka Mary Fee. Pasensya lang ka mga wala kami da subong to celebrate with you all. 25 years really did go by in a blink of an eye. Huh?
It did. AKA Kisak Mata, like the song on the playlist.
Yeah, daw sa saan, ulang tungara, tadaga tulutambay sa guwa sang co-op da sa may bench bala or sa kay Chat Mel's, ga-enjoy for some refreshments.
Ano na ang refreshments, I wonder? Today, as we celebrate, it's also a time to remember that we've lost some of our dear classmates along the way. But it's heartening to know that we carry their memories and the spirit of our youth in everything that we do.
So please enjoy lang ka muna tanan, padayon lang ang pagpasadya, pangalipay, enjoy the food, the drinks, and the chismis, and of course, each other's company.
We miss you all. Halonggi Kamo Pyramid Batch 95. Me and Peng are proud. Gid, kami isa kami sa inyo. May hamalong ka ba, Peng?
Wala na guro, let's just celebrate 25 years. Cheers!
Cheers sa ating barkada. Cheers
Enjoy
sa
the
ating Batch
reunion.
95. Chin
Cheers.
chin.